Good morning to you all. I hope that you are all doing well. صباح الخير عليكم جميعا. إن شاء الله كانوا بخير. Well, this is basically the last lesson of phonetics. هذا آخر درس راح نشوفه في phonetics for the first year students. واللي هو عبارة عن the manner of articulation. The manner of articulation. So, what is the manner of articulation? لأن شفنا في الفيديو السابقة the place of articulation, the voiceless, the voiced, and what is the difference between them. So now we will see the manner. The manner of articulation is, the question is, how is output? How is output? So how is this sound is produced? ماهيش where of the place. No, it is how. طريقة اللي إنتاج الصوت بها. Okay, the manner. And with consonants, my consonants, C is for the consonants, we find that there is a blockage of air and degree. نشوفوا باللي كاين عبارة عن اعتراض للهواء like this. راح نشوفوا الديجري أو درجة الاعتراض هذا كيفاش هي. Okay? Is it like a severe one or like it is just like a weak one and so on. We will see the manner of articulation. The first manner of articulation that we have is the plosives. Plosives, okay? The plosives. واللي نعرف عليه مصطلح الأصوات الانفجارية. You feel that there is like a small explosion in your mouth when you produce these sounds. تحس كاين انفجار في فمك. Okay? For example, we have the P. الأصوات البلوسيفز أو الانفجارية P, B, T, D, K, G, and عندنا ما يسمى بالglottal stop واللي حكينا إنه the people of London they speak or let's say they produce more glottal stop because they don't say give me a bottle of water, they say give me a bottle of water. So they don't produce the T, ما ينطقوش التي ينطقوها okay? And in the plosives we find that the air is blocked. الهواء تم حجزه محل plosives, the air is coming and it is blocked. Then it is released, okay? Then it is released. مثلا P, كي جاي تنطق P, you close your lips. الهواء, the air is coming. P, P. راك حجزت الهواء, then you release. Like P, P, okay? This is what we mean with the plosive. Now, we will move to the fricatives. Fricatives are like the wind. جايين كيما الرياح, or let's say the sound of the whistling wind. لأنه الرياح عندها صوت الصفير. Like this. So, الأصوات هذوما, they are not blocked, okay? But they make some kind of like whistling, كيما صوت الصفير. We find it in the sounds, الأصوات تاع ف, v, th, like this, th, وعندنا the, and s, z, like in zebra, sh, and j, okay? J, like G, j, okay? These sounds are also known as the continual. يعبر عليه بمصطلح الكونتينيوال أو الاستمرارية. ده معناتها هي تبع الاستمرارية تاع الهواء. Like this. س ز. الهواء مازال في حالة إخراج. Okay? There is no like full blockage. ما كانش اعتراض تام كما هذه. So there is no obstruction. ما كانش اعتراض هذا. This is the fricatives. وهذا هو الأصل. Now we will move to the affricates. The affricates are like the plosives, هما plosives هذوما, plus fricatives, plus the fricatives. So in the affricates we have only one sound. So affricates عندنا صوتين. Excuse me, we have two sounds. We have the ch and the j. J like in the word of job, job, or like ch in like don't touch, touch, okay? Or like let's say like in words with the sound of a ch, okay? Ch. So these are the first, or let's say the first three manners of articulation. Now we will move to the others. We have the nasals. Nasals. Nasals are when the air is passing through or via nasal cavity and it is released from the nostrils. So In the nasals, the sound is coming from the lungs, from the lungs, it moves to the larynx, the vocal cords to a sound, then it moves to the nasal cavity, then it is released from the nostrils, those sort of things. So we have three sounds in the nasals. عندنا m, n, and the n. The n is found in the ing form. We don't say, for example, king. No, we say king. It's a king. Okay? We don't say going with a g, we say going. Okay? So here, in order to know the nasals, to start the nasals, you close your nose like this and you produce the sound. B, n, y. Okay? If you feel that like there is a vibration and a blockage, it's a nasal. But let's try it with a plosive. جربوا مع plosive. T, t. It's normal, okay? There is no like vibration or a blockage. So now we will move to the lateral. The lateral is when you use your mouth, or let's say that there is zero blockage in your mouth. كاين صفر اعتراض للهواء. Okay? And the air is coming around the tongue. باش تنطق صوت ل. Okay? The l is like this. L. So the tongue, اللسان كما هك, and the air is passing from here. You raise your tongue تعرف باش تنطق حرف ل like this, ل, and the air is passing like this around the tongue. يمر حوله, okay, حول the tongue باش. Now we will move to the approximants. The approximants, the articulators والأعضاء الإنتاج, they are close, but they are not touching each other. Okay? We call them the approximants. Now we have three sounds in the approximants. We have w, y, and r. In the y, you raise the tongue to the hard palate. So they are not touching, but they are close to each other. And with the w, you are making your mouth or lips as like round, like this. W. They are not touching. There is like a narrow gap. W, okay? W. They are not like m. They are touching in m. But in here, it is w. They are round, okay? So let's see how the sounds here are produced. Okay, now let's see the description. راح نوضح الدescription اللي تعلمناها في الvoicing وفي the place of articulation and the manner of articulation. For example, they give you the sound f, and they tell you to describe it. تقول لك الأستاذ أوصفه لي في الامتحان. You say it is أولاً voicing. تحدد إذا كان voiceless or voiced. F. Is it voiced or voiceless? F. F. There is no vibration, so it is voiceless. Voiceless. Now, we move to the place of articulation. مكان الإنتاج. F. What are you using? F. F. You are using the upper front teeth, الأسنان الأمامية, and the lower lip. So it is good. Labiodontal. It is labiodontal. Labiodontal. Good. Then we have the manner of articulation. Which of them, the F or the F? We saw the F with the fricatives. Good. With the fricatives. Fricatives. So F is voiceless, labiodontal, fricative. وباقي الأصوات تقدر you can watch the video of the place of articulation and the manner of articulation. Then you can do the practice by yourself. تقدر تدير التمرين بمفردكم or by yourself. So this was our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just put them as comments.